Hi friends, let's make some delicious quinoa tofu Greek salad. This salad is delicious for storing or for taking to gatherings. So first we're going to go ahead and start with 2 cups of cooked quinoa. I love to cook quinoa in my Instapot. It comes out so fluffy and delicious. Then we're going to go ahead and add some Kalamata olives. You can use black olives if you'd like. Kalamata are super high in micro and macronutrients, and honestly I love the taste of them. Then we're going to add some grape tomatoes. Any tomato is great. The grape tomatoes I just cut in half. Then we're going to add some broccoli. This is about 3 cups of chopped broccoli. I like to use the florets and save my stems for later. Next we're going to add 1 block of chopped tofu. I like to put my tofu in cubes, and in our crispy tofu nugget video I show you how I like to cut my tofu. I'll add that in the show notes. But tofu is going to replace the feta cheese that you typically find in a Greek salad. It is so delicious, and it will absorb all of those spices and Italian flavors that are in this salad. We're then going to go ahead and add the Italian dressing. Now, I am going to do an upcoming video on my favorite homemade Italian dressing, or you can use whatever one you like. However, today, where I'm in a time crunch, I honestly am going to use a good seasoned Italian dressing mix. Now, you can follow the recipes on the box, or you can adjust it according to your lifestyle. I am currently in a weight loss phase of life, so I adjust the instructions to a lower olive oil content and a higher vinegar water content. I'll then taste it as I go and adjust my garlic salt, adjust my pepper amount. Just be sure to taste as you go, because those seasonings can be kind of strong. We're then going to go ahead and mix this thoroughly, making sure to coat the broccoli, the tomatoes, and get that tofu soaking well. Guys, you can adjust your ingredients here as well. Honestly, I love artichoke hearts in here. I just was out today, so we adjusted. We're then going to go ahead and just clean up the sides of this bowl, and it is ready to go to a gathering or to be stored in the fridge for the week to munch on throughout the week for me and my family. This is a high protein, super satiating salad. I hope you enjoy it. Here it is. Be sure to leave a comment below and let me know how it goes. Subscribe and like this channel if you enjoy this type of vegan, plant-based weight loss content. And have a happy day.